Planning a business trip to Georgia? The Georgia Business eVisa provides a simple and online way to travel for official business purposes. This eVisa allows eligible travelers to enter Georgia for short-term professional activities such as business meetings, conferences, negotiations, and official visits without the need to visit an embassy. To apply, travelers must hold a valid passport with enough validity beyond the intended stay. Applicants must also prepare supporting documents, including return travel details, accommodation information, travel insurance, proof of sufficient funds, and a business invitation or supporting letter. The application process is completed online. Applicants carefully fill in their personal and travel details, upload the required documents, and complete the payment securely. All information must be accurate to avoid delays or rejection. Once the application is approved, the Georgia Business eVisa is sent by email. Travelers should print the eVisa and carry it along with their passport and supporting documents during travel. The Georgia Business eVisa ensures a clear, organized, and well-prepared business journey before arrival.